what's up, guys? This is E from Eve Talks Bitcoin, and welcome to the show. Bitcoin on another all-time high. What a great way to start the episode, isn't it? With all the alts and Bitcoin sitting on a new all-time high, and that is fantastic. And a great way to start off the podcast, in my opinion. Good. Let's start to dig into Bitcoin. Bitcoin is has reached a new all-time high of 37,570. It's currently now pulling back on the 15-minute time frame. Probably expect some more pullback now since it pushed through to a new all-time high. Um, the market needs to breathe. It's important that the market breathes in, but it also breathes out again. So pullbacks are totally natural, and we need to see some pullbacks on Bitcoin in order to get a continuous trend and get that trend back again that we had seen in the past few days. So yeah, pullbacks are most of the time nothing bad. Yeah, let's see where this goes with Bitcoin now. Next one would be Ethereum. Ethereum is currently up 5.5% in this moment. It started to pull back a bit now on the 15-minute time frame. I will definitely have a spot on it and see if I get a good trade out of there or a good investment out of there. Maybe I find a very good entry. Yeah, but still, it's currently pulling back, so I need to put it on my watch list. Yeah, I need to spot it now in order to decide whether it's tradable or not. It's very hard to tell if it's setting up for a good trade or not. We'll see in the next few hours. Will tell, I guess. Litecoin. Let's see. Okay, Litecoin hasn't pushed above that 170 mark, but it touched it again. So it's currently now retrieving a bit and sitting at $163. But I definitely gonna watch it. If it pushes through that 170 mark and pulls back onto it, that would be a good trade for me, and definitely would be an entry that I'm seeking right now. Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash, the same as Litecoin. Bitcoin Cash pushed to 460 yesterday. Um, it touched it. It rejected it right now. So let's see how that 15-minute time frame builds up again in order to give us a good momentum and some good push through those 460 barriers and yeah, the rest of the barriers I was talking about before as well. BNB is currently sitting at 42.60. That's an increase of 4%. BNB just had a push up to 44.80, 44.90 even, and they currently pulled back as well now a bit, but definitely on my watch list. The trend looks very much in place, looks very, very promising to trade. There is some big candles right now and on the time frames right now, so that makes me reluctant to enter it now, but I'm definitely gonna spot it during the day in order to see if there is a good setup being made. Link. All right. Okay, Link had some very good moves yesterday. Was one of the first coins that pushed through that resistance I was talking about. That was with Link, it was 1550, and it's now sitting at 1631. And needs to push through that 1720 mark in order to really kick off with that uptrend again. But definitely, it's definitely looking great. So it is on my watch list as well. ADA, the best mover. I took a very good trade yesterday. That made me more than 16% if I got this right. So yeah, definitely I'm definitely watching ADA. ADA kept its position without increasing the volatility. It still looks very good for trading opportunities right there. It's still in the downtrend as the other coins right now as well. So I'm just putting it into my watch list, and I'm gonna keep on spotting it. Dot Dot hasn't done much in the past 2 or 3 days. It's currently sitting just under $10. It pushed through the $10 mark, rejected it again. It pushed through the $10 mark and then rejected it again. It's not very clear what Dot wants. If Dot wants to stay above 10 or if Dot wants to go under 10 again. It looks like a very good uptrend, but in order to make that very attractive for me again, dot needs to push through that mark of $10 and 55 cents. Yeah, 55 cents. Sorry. Uh, Before that, dot is not very attractive for me. Now next one is XRP. XRP had a revival, is now currently up 30%. No one could have foretold that XRP just pushes up again through that resistance of 25 cents and now sitting at 29 cents again. That coin probably comes down again, so it's not on my watch list. The volatility is too high, and yeah, it's just nothing interesting for me. That only leaves me with Feta. Feta is the only coin that is in the minus right now, minus 2%. Feta hasn't done much in the past 2 days. It's entering a down spiral. Um, it's still on my watch list because Feta has been a very strong mover. So if I see an uptick in volatility and I see a continuous trend to get picked up again on that coin, I'm definitely going to trade it again. Yeah, good. Guys, that was already the episode for today. If you guys have any questions regarding my episodes or my blog posts or whatsoever, just don't hesitate to contact me. I'm happy to help you out, guys. And yeah, nothing much to be said. I wish you guys a happy trading day and hear you guys tomorrow. Bye.